Query successful. Try again without apps. Ready to take control of your finances, but finding a few snags with the Rocket Money app? It's frustrating when a tool meant to simplify your life throws you a curveball. Rocket Money is fantastic for finding subscriptions and tracking spending, but like any financial app, users sometimes run into common issues. We're talking about those weird duplicate transactions, a bank connection that just won't update, or a missing subscription you know is draining your account. Don't worry, you don't have to quit the app. Let's dive into the most common Rocket Money problems and their quick fix solutions so you can get back to saving money. Problem 1. Duplicate transactions. Ever look at your spending and see the same charge listed twice? This is often the first thing people notice. The fix: this usually happens if you have both your PayPal and the linked bank account connected to Rocket Money. Since the PayPal transaction is also recorded by your bank, the app sees it twice. The simplest solution is to unlink your PayPal account from Rocket Money. All those transactions will still show up via your primary bank account, but now they'll only appear once. You can find the unlink option under your settings and then linked accounts. Problem 2. Wrong account balances. Sometimes, your balance in the app just looks off. It's either not showing recent spending or not updating as often as you'd like. The fix: first, remember that Rocket Money's connections typically update once every 24 hours. If it's been longer, or you need a live update, try to manually sync your account if you're a premium member. That option is right there under the account details and linked accounts. If it hasn't updated in weeks, you might have a connection issue. In that case, you may need to reconnect your bank completely or contact Rocket Money support, as your bank might have changed its connection requirements. Problem 3. Missing subscriptions or income. You're trying to budget, but the app isn't recognizing a crucial bill or your most recent paycheck. The fix for subscriptions: first, check the inactive list under the recurring tab. Sometimes payments just haven't hit yet. If it's still missing, you can manually add the subscription in the recurring tab using the plus icon. You can even assign past transactions to it. The fix for income: if your paycheck isn't being categorized as income, head over to your Transactions tab. Find one of your paycheck deposits, tap on it, and look for the option that says "Is Paycheck" and toggle it on. Doing this for a recent paycheck helps the system recognize all future payments from that source as income, ensuring your budgeting is accurate. Rocket Money is a powerful tool, and a few quick tweaks are usually all it takes to get it running smoothly. Knowing these common fixes means less time troubleshooting and more time mastering your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.